Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in gear for your everyday needs. Today, we're diving into the world of towing with the MaxxHaul 80356 hitch mount vise plate holder, a true game-changer in the realm of hitch accessories. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. What makes this product the best tow hitch vise mount on the market? Well, let's start with its adjustable height feature, allowing you to customize it to your comfort level. Whether you're working on a DIY project or need a secure hold while on the road, this vise plate has got you covered. But that's not all. The MaxxHaul 80356 boasts a sturdy steel construction with a powder-coated finish, ensuring durability and longevity even in the toughest conditions. And with its anti-rattle device, you can say goodbye to annoying vibrations and focus on the task at hand. Now, let's talk dimensions. With a vise mount plate measuring 7-7/8 L x 7-7/8 W and vise mounting holes of 5/8 by 2, this plate provides ample space and versatility for a variety of applications. And if you're worried about compatibility, fear not. The MaxxHaul 80356 is designed to fit most standard hitch receivers, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. So, whether you're hauling heavy loads or tackling weekend projects, the MaxxHaul 80356 hitch mount vise plate holder is the ultimate companion for all your towing needs. Don't settle for anything less than the best. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more unbiased product critiques. Until next time, happy towing!